wants to be in my vlog.
Oh, is this a video?
Oh. It's a video.
Oh!
That's how vlogs work.
Hi guys!
Hey friends!
Hi guys!
Make sure to subscribe and comment down below.
We're in San Clemente celebrating my sister Christine's bridal shower. Look how pretty.
Put a picture for us. Use my code HELLO. More feet up.
Christine, it's your day. Well, the pre-day, almost day. Are you so excited? So excited.
You've earned it.
Because like I'm busy so
We're gonna have fun at the rehearsal gym.
But I want to say thank you to everybody coming here. Stop it, Lauren.
I'm not even gonna look at you. I'm not even gonna look at you right now. I'm not even gonna look at you.
I've been very blessed to be welcomed into the McLaughlin family.
Oh, stop.
I mean, I've known Colin before as a coworker, but knowing him as my fiance and then knowing his family and being welcomed and getting to know his sisters and Carrie and then all of his really close family friends, and it's just like everybody's a family and my family's big, and we're just really happy to be bringing these two families together. So.
Yay!